Hello everyone, my name is Chris. My channel is called The Body Wish. It's an honor to be here. Today I'm going to be making a really super simple salad, high in fiber, high in protein, only takes a couple of minutes. Watch and enjoy. So I'm going to start with romaine lettuce, sunflower kernels, sliced almonds, pumpkin seeds, and flaxseed meal. You can swap these out for walnuts, you can add coconut flakes, you can get creative. For dressing, I like olive oil and coconut aminos. Coconut aminos adds a nice sweet flavor to it. After you wash the romaine, just break them up and put them in a salad bowl. So some flaxseed meal, pumpkin seeds, sunflower kernels. Guess what? I forgot to record the part about adding the almonds and the 2 boiled eggs.
Anybody home? Hi.
We're in the home stretch, just some olive oil and coconut aminos, and we'll call it a wrap. So that's it. Easy to make, super healthy, lots of protein, lots of fiber. No rocket science was used in the making of this salad. Voila, enjoy.